Today I'm going to show you how I made this completely edible fondant brooch. It's a great touch for a wedding cake or a themed cake, like for example a 1920s Gatsby-inspired cake. Let's get started. For this brooch I'm using this silicone mat, and these are the specific molds I'm going to be using. I'm using regular fondant that has been sitting out for a few minutes, which makes it a little bit less tacky. I've applied a bit of cornstarch to the mold and pressed the fondant into the mold. If the fondant has the right level of dryness, it comes right out of the mold. I've decided to color the bead frames in gold, and I'm doing that by combining some light gold from rainbow dust with some vodka, putting that in my airbrush and applying a thin coat to the bead frames. To the actual beads, I'm applying just a little bit of luster dust to give them a little bit of a shimmer. Alternatively, what I think would have been a really great idea is to use some isomold into the mold and created some glass-looking beads that would have resembled real diamonds, but have still been edible. The light gold color is still tacky, it hasn't fully dried, so I can just press the beads into the mold and it'll stick. Alternatively, you can of course use some fondant glue. I've cut out a large circle out of wafer paper and am now attaching each of these beads to the wafer paper. This gives me a lot of flexibility. I can move the brooch around. I don't have to use it right away and apply it to a cake. I can prepare this ahead of time and just keep it in storage for later use. Then I've cut out a larger circle out of wafer paper and applied that to the back, which gives it a little bit more sturdiness, a little bit more stiffness. And then I'm applying another layer of beads to this brooch. I let the whole thing dry overnight, and the next day I cut around the brooch to remove all of the excess wafer paper. And then I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this idea. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas, delicious recipes, and more. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.